Let's be real, eating out lately feels like you need to rob a bank. You go through the drive-thru, grab two mediocre burgers and a drink, and suddenly you're out of $55. When did convenience start costing an arm and a leg? Huh? We all got that wallet fatigue, right? But there's the thing. In a world of shrinking portions and soaring prices, when you find a legit high value glitch in the system, you don't just walk past it, you jump on it. Okay? I'm talking about a full service sit down meal for two people with an appetizer or dessert included for less than $20. It's not 2012. No, wake up, y'all. It's right now. And today we're talking about how to win at the eating out game with Cracker Barrel Meal for Two. Cracker Barrel dropped their Meals for Two deal, and it's a masterclass in value. It starts at $19.99. Here's the math for the skeptics out there. Step 1, you pick one shareable. That's like an appetizer, like the onion petals. Or if you have a sweet tooth, then a whole dessert to split. Say hello to this double chocolate fudge Coca-Cola cake. Oh my goodness, it's so sweet. You definitely need someone to share it with. Step 2, you get two full-size entrees, y'all. We're talking about heavy hitters, the best classic meatloaf, which has been on the menu since 1969, or barrel cheeseburger, or even the breakfast burger, which has gone viral on TikTok. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. Yep. If you bought these separately, you'd easily be pushing over $45 or more. At Meals for Two, it all starts at $19.99. We're basically getting a date night for a price of a single fancy salad at a trendy bistro. You know what I mean? What's the catch? There's no catch. It's just weekday win. This is for those that are that are willing to come in Monday through Friday. Moments when you're too tired to cook, but too smart to overspend. Yep, dine in only for Monday through Friday. Why am I telling you this? Because being frugal isn't about never spending money. It's about spending it where it counts, y'all. When you find a deal like this one, it does two things. One, it protects your peace. You get to enjoy the meal without doing that food math, you know what I mean, in your head the whole time. Number 2, it rewards you and your family. When we support restaurants that actually keep prices accessible, sends a message that value still matters. Plus, if you want to go pro mode, you can add a cup of soup or a side of salad for just $5 per person. Even then, you're still winning. Look, the days of cheap meals are disappearing fast. Let me tell you, because I've been looking. So when a place like Cracker Barrel opens a window like this one, you take it and keep going back for more. Go get your comfort meal, keep your $20 bill mostly in your pocket, and enjoy a meal that actually feels like a real deal. But I want to hear from you. What's your go-to budget hack for eating out right now? Let's be real, okay? Is there any deal I need to check out? Drop in the comments below and let me know where to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're tired of overpaying for dinner, and hit that like button for more ways to live large on a small budget. I think you know what to do. This is Judy Ann from justtoday.com, and see you in the next one.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.